If you're wondering whether Fieldwire or BuildTools is the best option for managing your construction projects, you're in the right place. Both tools offer solid features for construction management, but each has its own strengths and weaknesses. Stick around as I dive into the specifics and help you make the right choice. And by the end, I'll show you a better alternative for managing your construction projects more effectively. You won't want to miss that. First, let's talk about Fieldwire. This platform stands out for its ability to streamline communication and coordination across teams, whether you're in the office or out on site. The interface is easy to navigate, making it great for teams of all sizes. One of the key features of Fieldwire is its task management system, which allows you to create, assign, and track tasks with ease. You can also collaborate on blueprints and drawings, which is essential for construction projects. However, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. For one, the reporting tools in Fieldwire aren't as robust as some users might expect. You won't get deep insights into your project's progress, which can be a drawback when you're trying to get a clear overview of things. The mobile app is good, but it's not as polished as some of its competitors, which can lead to some frustrations when working on site. Next, let's look at BuildTools. This software is designed with custom home builders in mind, and it excels when it comes to managing budgets, schedules, and subcontractor coordination. One of BuildTools' standout features is its integration with accounting software, which helps streamline invoicing and tracking expenses. The project management side of things is solid, but BuildTools really shines when it comes to managing the financial side of things. But just like Fieldwire, BuildTools has its downsides. For example, the user interface can feel a bit clunky, and getting accustomed to the platform can take time, especially if you're new to construction management software. The mobile app is functional, but could definitely use some improvements when it comes to usability on the go. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing: pricing. Fieldwire offers a free plan, which is a great option for smaller teams or individual contractors who need basic functionality. However, for advanced features, like unlimited project management and advanced reporting, you'll need to upgrade to one of their paid plans. BuildTools, on the other hand, is more expensive right out of the gate, but that cost is justified if you're running multiple projects at once and need robust accounting integration. If you're running a small team, this could feel a bit overkill, but for larger businesses, it might be worth it. Both of these tools have decent integrations with other software, but neither is perfect. Fieldwire's integrations are better suited for companies that focus more on project management and fieldwork, while BuildTools is a better fit for those who need strong financial tracking and a bit more structure in their workflow. So, what's the final thing to consider? The decision really comes down to what you prioritize. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, all-in-one construction management tool, Fieldwire might be your best bet, but if budget tracking and invoicing are your top priorities, then BuildTools will likely suit you better. However, after trying both of these platforms myself, I found a better alternative for managing construction projects more effectively. While both Fieldwire and BuildTools have their merits, there's one tool that outperforms them in terms of usability, flexibility, and customer support. If you want a smoother, more efficient way to manage your construction projects, I recommend you check out the first link in the description for the best free trial available. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Both Fieldwire and BuildTools have their strengths, but there's a better solution out there that's designed for the needs of modern construction teams. Don't miss out on this opportunity to improve your project management experience.